Kipengele cha Umoja Mataifa inasema nchi ikiwa kwa vita hairuhusiwi kwenda kwa election. Ndio sababu Yoweri Museveni ana claim Indian Ocean yake. Anataka aanze vita ambayo itaufanya yeye asiende kwa election mwaka ujao. Kwa sababu kuiba kura imekuwa ngumu, Gen Z wamekuja juu, dunia mzima inaangalia sasa election na macho yote. Sasa ndio sababu yeye ameona penyenyo peke yake ambaye itafanya yeye kukaa kwa power ni Uganda ikuwe kwa vita na Kenya, election isikuweko. Kama vile yeye vile alivyokuwa anatumia koni last time. Hiyo ndio sababu. Hebu msikizeni mzee anasema nini.
Why don't you see how to unite? Because Uganda, even if you wanted to build a navy, how can you build it? We don't have access to the sea. The political organization in Africa is so irrational. Some of the countries have no access to the sea. For economic purposes, but also for defense purposes, you are stuck. How do I export my products? That's why we have got endless discussion with Kenya, then this one stops, then another one comes, then the railway, the pipeline, the what, we discuss. But that ocean belongs to me. Because where is my ocean? I am entitled to that ocean. In future, we are going to have wars. In the future, we are going to have wars. How can you say that you are in a block of flats, that the compound belongs to only the flats on the ground floor, that the compound belongs to the whole block. All the flats are entitled to the compound.
Yeah.
There's no way you can say. So may I just watch these people? You are really endangering yourself. How can you have a situation like this? Uganda is